Good morning, children. Today we will continue with chapter number 10, Present Tense. Before we continue doing present tense, let us recall all that we learned in the last class. Verbs tell us what people, animals, or things do. Verbs are action words that show action, right? And tenses are related to verbs because tense means time. Tense tells us at what time the action happened. We use verbs in various forms to express time. And now we all know that there are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past tense tells us about action which is over. Present tense tells us about action which is going on, and future tense tells us about action yet to happen. In the last class, we learnt what are present tense. The verbs that tell us about actions that happen in the present time are called present tense. Then we learned there are two types of present tense: simple present tense and present continuous tense. Simple present tense are the verbs that tell us about action that take place regularly. And in simple present tense, verbs change its form according to the number of nouns they tell us about. If the noun is singular, you change the verb by adding s or es or ies. And if the noun is plural, the verb does not change its form. It remains as it is. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. We use present continuous tense to talk about an action that is still going on at the time of speaking. We use is, am, are, and add ing to the main verb to change it into its present continuous form. Let us learn how we do it. Now, can you see this, children? The first word written here is am, then is, and then are. This you have to remember that with am we always use I. I am. With is we use he, she, it, and singular nouns. With are we use we, you, they, and plural nouns. Now, when we change the verb to present continuous tense, we use I am with verb ending with ing. Same way, when we use is with he, she, it, or any singular nouns, we use he is with verb ending with ing. So we use he is, she is, it is with verb ending with ing. Then are. Whenever we use are, we use we, you, they with verb ending with ing. We are, you are, they are with verb ending with ing. Let us learn them with the help of examples. Now you have to remember, with I we use am plus verb ending with ing. I am plus verb ending with ing. Let us see an example. I am walking in the park. Now here we use am with I am. And where is the verb? Verb is walk and you add ing. So walk becomes walking, right? With I, you use am, I am, verb ending with ing. Verb is walk and you add ing, so it becomes walking. Next, we use is with he is, she is, it is, and all the singular nouns and all the singular pronouns like everybody is, somebody is, nobody is, everyone is, someone is, no one is, plus verb ending with ing. She is eating lunch. With she we used is, she is, and what is the verb? Verb is eat. So we add ing to the verb and it becomes eating. She is eating lunch. Now remember children, you cannot write without using is and eating. You have to use both of them. You cannot write she is lunch or she eating lunch. To complete the sentence, you have to use is and eating both. He is driving the car. Here he is. The verb is drive. We add ing to it. It becomes driving. He is driving the car. It is playing with a ball. With it, we use is. It is. Verb is play and we add ing to the verb. It becomes playing. It is playing. Now let us see letter R. We use we are, they are, you are, and all the plural nouns, that is name of two people, plus verb ending with ing. Let us see examples of each one of them. We are playing football. We are. With we use are, and the verb is play plus ing, which becomes playing. We are playing. Next, you. With you, we use are. You are, and the verb is drive. We add ing to it. It becomes driving. You are driving. Next, they are. With they, we use are, and the verb is eat. We add ing to it. It becomes eating. They are eating. They are playing. They are dancing. So children, let us read this together. We use the present continuous tense to talk about an action that is still going on at the time of speaking. We use am, is, are and add ing to the main verb to change it into its present continuous form. Look at the examples. The students are studying in a classroom. Here children are study. With are we use study plus ing. Students are more than one. That means plural noun. So the students are studying. Mr. Rao is driving a car. Mr. Rao is singular, so we use is. Drive will become driving by adding ing. Mr. Rao is driving. Here children, when you change the verb into driving, you remove e and you add ing. Lizzie is playing games on a computer. Lizzie is singular, so is, and play will become playing. Lizzie is playing. Now it's time to do exercise from the textbook. Get ready with your book. Today we will do exercise B, C and D on page number 43 and 44. Exercise B on page number 43. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous am, is, are plus ing forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Now children, can you see there are two dash given with a space in between. So what we have to write? We have to write either am, is, are with verb ending with ing. Okay, you have to use both. If you use any one of them, it becomes incorrect. You cannot use only am, is, are. Neither can you use only verb ending with ing. You have to use both am, is, are and verb ending with ing. So let's do number 1. Prem and Rajat dash a letter. Now Prem and Rajat are plural. So what will come here? Are reading. Read will become reading. Number 2. Somebody dash at the door. Knock. Now I already told you with somebody, nobody, someone, no one, we use is, right? So, is knocking. Knock will become knocking. Number 3, John and Rita are two plural. So what will we use? Are. And the verb is go will become going to the circus. So let's write are going. Number 4, the artist. Artist is one singular. So is. And mix will become mixing the colors. Children, I hope you are understanding what we have to do. Next, number 5, everyone. Now you know, right? With everyone we use is. Is work will become working silently. Number 6, Naman. Singular, so we will write is, and cycle will become cycling. Now I told you before that whichever verb ends with E, you remove E and then you add ing. So cycling. To school. Number 7, I. With I you use am, right? So write I am. Walk will become walking in the park. Number 8, Samir. Again singular, so you will use is, and bake will become baking. Now bake ends with E, so what you will do? Right, you will remove E and add ing. Baking a cake. Exercise C on the next page. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous forms of the verbs given in bracket. Children, you need to read along with me. The dog dash. We have to use the word bark as present continuous. Now children, wherever you see the word continuous, you have to remember ing will come along with the verb. Okay? And wherever you see the word present, you have to remember is, am, are. So wherever you see the word present, continuous, remember for present is, am, are, and for continuous, verb ending with ing. Let's read the dog dash. Now dog is singular, so is barking. Bark will become barking. At the stranger looks frightened. Frightened means scared, okay? A child dash his shirt. Pull. So for child we will use is, right? So is, pull will become pulling. A child is pulling his shirt. The owner of the dog dash at a distance. Now here the verb is stand and we are talking about owner, that is singular. So is standing. He dash to a woman. Now we are talking about he, that is singular, and talk will become talking. So he is talking to a woman, poor stranger. Next, exercise D. What would the people in the pictures say if you asked them these questions? Guess and write their answers. The first one is done for you, children. Let me read it out, then you will understand what you have to do here. Are you washing your car, Mr. Malhotra? Now this is Mr. Malhotra. Okay. He replies saying, no, I am not. I am cooking. Now can you see Mr. Malhotra? He is cooking. So he answered by saying no, because he was not washing car. He said, no, I am not. I am cooking. So same way you have to correct all the sentences. Let's do number 2. Are you watering the plants, Mr. Nath? Now look at this. What is Mr. Nath doing? He is knitting. So what you will write? No, comma. I am not. Full stop. Remember children, after no you will put comma and you start with a capital N. I am not, put a full stop. Start again with the capital letter. I am knitting, put a full stop. Number 3. Are you reading a book, Helga? Now what is Helga doing? She is walking, right? So come on, what you will write? No, comma, I am not. Again a full stop. I am walking. Remember, you start with N capital and you write here also I capital. I is always written in capital, right? Number 4. Are you getting dressed, Anuradha? Now what is Anuradha doing? She is eating. So come on, let's write. No, I am not. I am eating. Number 5. Are you playing cricket, Fatima? Now what is Fatima doing? She is playing with a ball, right? So she is playing football, correct? So let's write, no, I am not. I am playing football. The last one, number 6. Are you doing your homework, Sampath? Now what is Sampath doing? Look here, look at the picture. Sampath is riding a horse, right? So come on, let's write. No, I am not. I am riding a horse. Children, we come to the end of this chapter. In the next class, we will start past tense. So till then, stay home. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.